Samsung is gearing up for the release of its next foldable lineup, and this time they're bringing some crazy upgrades. The spotlight is on the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 7, but that's not all. For the first time, Samsung is launching 3 foldable phones this year. Not just 2. And no, a tri-fold phone isn't on the list. Instead, we're getting the Galaxy Z Fold 7, the Z Flip 7, and a Z Flip 7 Fan Edition. According to insider reports, these devices are set to make waves, and live videos of the Z Flip 7 might drop any day now. But here's the real scoop. Demo units for retail stores reportedly went into production on April 30th, and shipping details reveal the Z Flip 7 Fan Edition weighs around 187 grams, almost identical to the Z Flip 6. In fact, some are calling it a Z Flip 6 with a slightly upgraded CPU. But the real drama? The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be Samsung's thinnest folding phone yet, with a wider cover display and a larger inner screen than ever before. This could be the design overhaul fans have been waiting for. Now let's talk cameras. While the Z Fold 7 specs aren't officially confirmed, leaks suggest it'll pack the same 200-megapixel primary sensor as the Galaxy S25 Edge, paired with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide and a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto. That means stunning zoom shots up to 10x, though don't expect 100x space zoom this time. So what do you think? Is the Z Fold 7 worth the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're new here, hit subscribe for more breaking tech updates. Peace out.